We all have this question in mind. Can our consciousness move to a higher level? More precisely, is it possible to leap from the reality we are currently experiencing into a more advanced state of awareness? This video is dedicated to exploring that very question. Using insights from quantum physics, philosophy, spiritual teachings, and consciousness research, we will investigate the limits of the mind. From Ramtha's teachings to multiverses, simulation theory to meditation practices, we will cover it all. If you are ready, let's unlock the door to a consciousness shift. What is consciousness, and what does dimension shifting mean? When we think of consciousness, we usually associate it with our thoughts, emotions, and awareness. But when it comes to dimension shifting, things take on a whole new perspective. Dimensions are typically defined in terms of physical measurements, length, width, height, and time. But what if the dimensions of consciousness go beyond these physical parameters? According to some spiritual teachings, third-dimensional consciousness, a mind trapped in the material world, operating within cause and effect relationships. Fourth-dimensional consciousness, a state where intuition is heightened and deeper connections with dreams and energy fields occur. Fifth-dimensional consciousness, a level of pure love, unity, and absolute awareness. But what does science say about this? Is consciousness merely a byproduct of brain activity, or does it have a deeper, non-physical nature? One of the most groundbreaking theories on this topic is quantum consciousness theory. Roger Penrose and Stuart Hameroff propose that consciousness is not just a chemical process in neurons, but occurs at a quantum level. If consciousness operates at the quantum level, does this mean that parallel universes, interdimensional travel, and altered reality perception are possible? This theory might explain experiences such as astral projection, lucid dreaming, and deep meditation, where people report accessing different realms of awareness. But what do spiritual teachings say about this? Is it possible to transcend consciousness? Ramtha is said to be a 35,000-year-old Lemurian warrior who speaks through JZ Night as a channeled entity. His teachings focus on breaking the limits of the mind and shifting consciousness to higher dimensions. One of Ramtha's most compelling statements is, "Reality is far more flexible than we think. If consciousness changes, reality changes." This suggests that we are not just physical beings. With the power of our mind, we may transition between different dimensions, breaking the limits of time and space. Ramtha's teachings might sound mystical, but interestingly, modern quantum physics also supports the idea that consciousness shapes reality. This raises an important question. Could it be that what Ramtha described thousands of years ago is now being validated by quantum mechanics? Are we living in a programmed reality? A theory that has gained significant popularity in recent years is simulation theory. Even Elon Musk has hinted at the possibility, suggesting, there is a high probability that our reality is a simulation. What does this mean? According to this theory, the universe we experience might be a computer-generated simulation. If true, could our consciousness exit this simulation? Are dreams, déjà vu, and out-of-body experiences glitches in the system? Many scientists still consider this speculation, but modern physics and philosophy do not completely dismiss the idea. If consciousness can indeed ascend to higher states, can we practice shifting it? Here are some techniques that have been used for centuries. Deep meditation, one of the most effective ways to elevate consciousness to higher frequencies. Lucid dreaming, a powerful tool for exploring the boundaries of reality. Astral projection, experiencing consciousness beyond the physical body. Shamanic rituals and plant-based consciousness, expanders, ancient methods for expanding awareness. Many individuals claim that these practices help them break past the limits of their consciousness and achieve higher states of perception. But what about you? Have you ever experienced a consciousness shift? We have explored various perspectives. Quantum physics suggests that consciousness can influence reality. Ramtha's teachings claim that we can elevate our consciousness beyond our current limitations. Simulation theory questions the very nature of our reality. Meditation, and consciousness practices offer techniques for expanding awareness. So, what's the final verdict? Can consciousness truly shift dimensions, or have we already experienced a shift without even realizing it? Do you think consciousness can move to a higher state? If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more mind-expanding topics.